Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray total cholesterol kit. On the top angle we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name total cholesterol kit for short pot method. This is a product name total cholesterol kit. This is short form of this kit, TC. On the front we can see the product name total cholesterol kit for short pot method, TC. TC means total cholesterol. In the bottom we can see the reference number of this kit, TC0102. This kit contains one reagent 4 into 40 ml, and here we can see the lot number and expiry date. This kit contains one instruction manual. This is C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation of this kit. Now we are going to see the other angles. On the side we can see the brand blank empty space. On the back we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other angle bottom we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details. This is the overall representation of this kit. Now I am going for summary. Today we can see the total cholesterol kit TC from Mindray. This kit is for short pot method. Thank you.